down thunder with a crooked grin. Ain't afraid of losing, ain't afraid to sin. Every scar I carry's a badge I wear, proof that I've been tested and I'm still right here. I'm built for the storm, I don't break, I rise. Fire in my chest, steel in my eyes. Trouble don't scare me, it fuels my flame. I walk through hell and I don't change my name. I'm built for the storm, come test this man. I'll take every hit, still make my stand.
I'm ready.
Problems and struggle, they feed my soul. Grinding through the darkness to chase that goal. A real man smiles when the danger's near, leans into the fight, don't bow to fear. I'm built for the storm, I don't break, I rise. Fire in my chest, steel in my eyes. Trouble don't scare me, it fuels my flame. I walk through hell and I don't change my name. I'm built for the storm, come test this man. I'll take every hit, still make my stand. When the world tries to drown me, I just breathe deep. Turn the pain to power, promises to keep. Every setback's just another mile I claim. Every fall I've taken made me tougher in the game. I'm built for the storm, I don't break, I rise. Lightning in my hands, thunder in my eyes. Trouble don't scare me, it fuels my flame. I walk through fire and I don't change my name. I'm built for the storm, that's who I am. A man unbroken, I'll always stand. So bring me the struggle, the dark and the rain. I'll carry it smiling, I'll shoulder the pain. 'Cause I'm built for the storm, yeah, I'm built to last. A man made of iron with a shadow that casts.
All right. Safety.